Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Revoker. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I'll switch over to Sharpie. And I'm going to be using a straight edge on this one, a ruler. So if you want to get one, go ahead and grab one now, and we'll make it look awesome. Alright. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Right? Let me angle this one a little bit more. And oh, you know what? Let me sketch a few more little parts just to make sure I got it just right. Oh, and there's something right there. And then that's going to go across to there. Oh, actually it's going to go across to like that. Okay. Okay. I think we might be ready. So I'll do like that. Then that's going to come in here like that. And then down to there. Okay, yeah. I'm going to go to Sharpies now. So I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen. You're welcome to use a pencil if you like, or use these kinds as well. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the handle first, so I know I have the whole thing straight. So I'm just going to eyeball where my sketch is for the first line. And let's see, it's going to be there to there to there, and then do this. Alright. And the top part's a little bit wider, so I'm going to wait to do that. I'm just going to do another line. I just moved it over and eyeballed what is about parallel and draw the other line like that. Okay, so that means for this line, see how I'm coming out just a little bit? It's oh so slight. That's all it is. Super oh so slight. Like you probably won't even be able to tell what I did, you know? That's how slight it is. Okay. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and connect just a few little parts here, just because of the way it looked. I kind of liked this look to it. And you know what, here, I'm going to do this with the other Sharpie real fast, just to have some contrast of thick and thin, like that. See, you can barely even tell, but I can tell, and I like it. I like what I did. Okay, so that's good for this. You know what? I'll go ahead and do a few more little lines just to add that contrast. And see, I just like the way it looks with the thick and thin, you know? Alright, so here's the other thing. So I don't know if I want to draw all the lines with the Sharpie. I mean, I should, right? This one's going to come up here and start there. And you know what? I don't know if I did it right. Like, this line should probably be right there. Let's do this. I'm going to make points as to where I think everything should be. And then I'll connect it with a Sharpie. With the straight edge, the ruler. And that will help us use the edge and let us sketch. Okay, so like these, I don't think I'm going to use the straight edge. I'm going to just do it by hand because my sketch took care of it enough that I know what I'm doing, right? There, like that. See, I don't need no stinking ruler. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and just connect some dots now. So, I'm gonna just draw a line from edge to edge, like that. Do another one from edge to edge, like that. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do. And basically, I'm just going by what my sketch tells me, you know? And this one, I kind of want to do it like this. Then bring it down to a point a little bit pointier, like this. I like the angled edge to that. That looks pretty cool. Then I'm going to draw it to this one, like that. Then I'll just connect these like that, and that'll take care of this one. So now I'm gonna eyeball the rest. This one has this thing like this. Let's see, it's gonna be like this. Kind of goes down like that, like this, and then connects over here. Okay. Then it's got another, and I'm gonna do this with the, here. I'm gonna finish the handle down here. Then I'm gonna add some detail with this, but with the finer Sharpie, so it stands out a little bit. The whole contrast, like I was talking about, right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of edge to this, and then I'm gonna add the detail to this one, like that. Okay. All right. So with this, I think what I want to do is just draw some of the inside lines like this. Let's see. Like that, right? That makes sense. Then I'm going to connect them like this. Just eyeball it. Okay. Connect it like that. That'll be that edge. And then there's another line that kind of does this. And that is going to make this edge. So now I'm going to connect it to here, to here. And I think I will use the Sharpie at this point, because from there to there, right? And then from here, it's going to go to like right here. So it's going to kind of come down like that. All right, so let's do some straight edging. Okay, so, and this one comes in like that a little bit, and then it's going to connect. All right, so let's do some straight edging. Like that. Let's see, I'm going to bring it to about right here. Like that. Bring that down to there. And this one, then I'm going to connect these. Okay. All right, I like that. It looks pretty cool. And then last thing we're going to do is connect the points. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Okay, so I'm going to take care of the rest with color. So that is Revoker. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw.